Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily upgrade your iCloud. So if you have not so much memory in your iCloud and you need to upgrade your plan, so how you can do it? So just go to the settings, open the settings, and here in the settings you need to tap on your Apple ID. It will be on the upper of this page, so it will be before airplane mode. So just tap on your Apple ID, and after you will see here iCloud. So just tap on iCloud, and here you will see manage storage. So just tap here on manage storage, and here you will see change storage plan. So just tap on change storage plan, and here you can see different three variants. So first variant, it's 50 gigabytes per $1 per month, and another 200 gigabytes for $3 per month, and 2 terabytes $10 per month. So just choose your variant. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching. After you just choose some of variant, you need to type your password to your Apple ID and just submit your purchase. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.